Nerfer Guy here, and today I will be driving my RC car around. Let's go. And I'm using the head mount. So, hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, shoot. Crap. This thing is at full battery. It just finished charging, so that's why it's super fast. And this is not gonna be the same as it would be if you bought it, because I have an upgraded engine and an upgraded battery, like a super upgraded battery. And I have a great engine, so hopefully you guys can see this, because I mean, it's closer than it appears. Oh my god, shoot. Making this thing wet. And I also don't want to tip it over. Now this thing has been like broken and destroyed and put back together again like twice. So I don't think I even have all the same parts as you would, because I mean, this thing is like been broken and put back together again, smashed. Shoot. Donuts! This thing doesn't handle donuts very well because its horsepower is super high. So it'll just flip itself over. Oh god. Yeah, it'll just flip itself over because it's so fast. It'll do donuts, but if I put it on full throttle, then it'll flip over because this thing's fast. Zoom, 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 zoom. Shoot, I got it wet. Systems check. Main power online. Systems check. Battery online. Systems check. Full speed online. Systems check. Steering online. System check. Shocks online. There it goes, all the way super far down there. I did a barrel roll there. Now don't worry, this thing is handled much worse. As you can see, this thing is handled much worse than what it has today. Crap! It's flipped over. on. Bye, guys.